All right, if you want to build smarter AI systems without buying expensive hardware. Yeah, cloud AI platforms make machine learning much more accessible. In this full guide, I'll show you how to train machine learning models on cloud AI in 2026, step by step. First, understand what machine learning actually means. Machine learning allows computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions automatically. Training AI models locally can require expensive GPUs, storage, and processing power. Cloud AI platforms provide scalable computing resources over the internet, making training easier and faster. Now, choose the cloud AI platform that matches your project needs. Different platforms offer tools for machine learning, deep learning, analytics, automation, and model deployment. When working with cloud AI, always protect sensitive data and follow security best practices. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning and experimentation are important. And yeah, that's how you train machine learning models on cloud AI in 2026. Once you understand data preparation, training, testing, and deployment, building AI systems becomes much more achievable.